Hey everyone, if you're still using Windows 7 machines and you wanted to upgrade your Windows 7 operating system to Windows 10, this is the right place. Well, there are two simple ways to upgrade Windows 7 to Windows 10. One is directly downloading a copy of Windows 10 from Microsoft for free and installing it on your Windows 7 operating system. And there's another way where you can download a Windows 10 ISO file and make a bootable USB thumb drive. If you wish to install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on your machine, and if you wanted to upgrade your to Windows 10, we will go through the steps. So basically what I do is I check whether my system is compatible and it supports Windows 10. Primarily, I go and check the requirements for Windows 10, that we will go through that process. And then I check whether I have enough resources available on my machine to install Windows 10 on that. It's very simple. All you need is open your internet browser and type google.com, for example. Simply type Windows 10 requirements. The first link that comes with support.microsoft.com, we'll open that and check whether your computer meets the minimum requirements to install Windows operating system on your computer. To better check that, you need to click on Start menu, type System Information. You'll be able to see your system model, processing unit, and also you'll be able to see the required memory. Second place where I have to go check where I have enough storage available to be able to install Windows 10 on my machine is simply either click on File Explorer or go to Start menu, Computer, and as you can see, I have 73.1 GB free space. However, if I did not have the required space available on my drive, what I do is clean up my computer. One of the places where you can clean up your computer is click on Start menu and type Disk Cleanup. Hit Enter. This cleanup will basically collect all the unnecessary files on your computer. When this cleanup brings up the first window, what you need to do is click on Clean up System Files. You don't need to worry about it. This cleanup will not delete any important file which can potentially cause problem for your computer. It basically collects superseded updates, temporary files, cookies, mostly files really not necessary. Alrighty, now that this cleanup has brought system files window, it has already selected 1.73 gigs of not necessary files or unnecessary files. So what I do is I select all of them, but you can of course select the folders you want them to be deleted. After selecting all of the options I want to delete, I simply click OK and then click Delete Files. Remember, this will permanently delete the files. This cleanup process has completed. I'm ready to go and download a copy of Windows 10 online and upgrade my system. With in place upgrading my system, I will not lose any file or settings on my computer. I'll click on my browser, maximize this for a better view, type google.com, type Windows 10 media creation tool. Hit enter. The first link, as you can see, is Microsoft.com. Download Windows 10 disk image, ISO file. I'll click on that. All right, so it brings me to Microsoft.com. I click on download tool now. All right, as you can see, it downloaded media creation tool. Now what I do is click on menu, go to downloads, hover on the downloaded file, click on folder. I'll double click on this, say yes, getting a few things ready, application notice and license terms. If you wanted to read through, you can read through all of the Microsoft licensing terms, accept. Right now, I have two choices to make here. One, I can upgrade this PC now, or I can create an installation media, Windows 10 ISO file, and create a bootable flash drive or DVD to install it on mini computers or other computers. Now, for this one, because we're doing an in-place upgrade, I'll choose upgrade this PC now. Click next. Well, now Windows 10 is being downloaded on your computer. If you wanted to use your computer, you can use at this point. When the download completes, it will prompt you to install the Windows. I'll fast forward the video to expedite the process. Now that Windows has been downloaded, it will quickly verify the downloaded file for install. Creating Windows 10 Media now. All right, file has been downloaded. Now it's preparing. Now the setup will prompt me to install the Windows. I'll simply go with install Windows with an option to keep personal files and applications. Alright, we got our Windows 10 installed. Now what we have to do is just simply go and check if everything works fine, and also clean up the old Windows files so they don't take a lot of space on our hard drive. I go to click on search bar, type here to search, and type disk cleanup. The first thing I want to do, and then choose cleanup system files. Now if I scroll down, you'll be able to see that I have previous Windows installation file, which is 10 gigs. I'll choose that, and rest of the files. In total, I'll be deleting 10.3 gigs off of my hard disk. In some cases, it probably will be more than 20 or 30 gigs in your case, depending on what was the size of your old Windows. All right. Now that we have our Windows completely installed, our drive cleaned, if I try to go to File Explorer, open it up, check my this PC, Windows 7 would call it computer. Now I have 75.6 gigs free on my C drive. And then if I wanted to check the version of my Windows, what I do is click on Start menu and simply type WinVer. As you can see, I have Windows 10 and version is 21H1. OS build is 19.43.928, which is fairly new. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe and comment below as to what should I work on next.